Baby, she's eating it up, hun, okay? She is eating it up, okay? I'll be right back. Again, Wowafrican, wow. Beautiful, gorgeous, stylish, that girl. Shout out to Wowafrican for sponsoring today's video, y'all. This unit deserves a standing ovation. When I tell you guys that this unit is so pretty, bomb AF. Now, I have another unit that I'm absolutely obsessed with from this company. You guys have seen me wear that unit over and over again. Now, one thing about Wowafrican, their color combinations are well crafted. This is an ombre style unit, guys, and you guys can see the gradient was well done on this one. Now, the thing with Wowafrican is their units come customized. You get the nice color jobs, even the just basic natural color units. They always have a glueless complete look to them, so it already comes pre-tweezed, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all the works, and everything fits secure and nice. Now obviously in today's video I did go ahead and spray the unit down just because I wanted to slay it to the guys, and I wanted to kind of wear this here for a couple of days though, so definitely love it. But as you guys can see when I showed you guys, it's still pretty glueless without all that stuff. So you can wear this unit glueless. It is very secure. It comes with that adjustable strap, and it also comes with this new little hook thing, which when I tell you guys I was in awe. It has 3 levels to it, so you can make it kind of like tight, medium, tight, or you know, and a little bit light. So there's 3 hooks to it. Very simple. The back of my nape is not irritated whatsoever, y'all. The gag is this hair. Like, baby, what? I love the way they pre-layer this unit as well too, guys. I did go ahead and just trim it a little bit. I love like that peekaboo blonde in the front right here. It kind of goes well with like the, you know, whole ombre look. Very cute. I'm giving summertime vibes, babes. Summertime vibes. Very nice. And I feel like it doesn't clash with my skin tone. I feel like it just emphasizes my little chocolate cocoa dark skin look even more. I absolutely love this one, guys. Now you guys know I have my favorite one from Wowafrican. I'll leave a card up here. That unit is like full balayage and I absolutely love it. So this one kind of reminds me of it, but this is more of like a sleeky look. So I wanted to show it to you guys straight simply because it had the layers in the front right here. But you know I'm gonna add me a little curl to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl this unit real quick, guys, and I will be right back. Simple. We're just gonna add like a little curl. Y'all see me do it already. Not that deep. But I'll be back. I'm gonna curl it real quick and show you guys what it looks like. But baby, she's eating it up, hon, okay? She is eating it up. So I felt kind of weird not showing you guys how I would curl it. So let me just show you guys how well this hair curls. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. Again, I don't have to cut this. They already comes layered, so makes my life much easier. So I'm gonna just do like light wand curls and kind of stretch it. I'll be right back. I honestly didn't expect anything other than greatness when I was gonna curl this wig, so I got exactly what I knew I was gonna get. Again, Wowafrican, wow. Beautiful, gorgeous, stylish, that girl. Very nice, y'all. Absolutely love this unit. The fact that it can curl very nicely, I did go ahead and top it with some spritz. Very pretty, y'all. Like you just can't make this up with this company. They have the best elite ready to install custom perfect glueless units on the market. I always rave about this company. This is my top 3 wig company that I really love. All their units are absolutely stunning. They last a long time and they always look good. So let me know what your thoughts about this unit, guys, from Wowafrican. I feel like both styles were absolutely gorgeous, but let me know which style was your favorite. You guys know that this is my signature look or whatever, so let me know what you guys think about how this looks. I actually love the ombre curl. I feel like the ombre curl just gives an extra bit of oomph to it, and again, that pop of blonde in the front is, you already know, eating it up, baby, period. So let me know your thoughts, guys. I'll leave all the information down below, including a coupon code, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.